How to protect yourself from cold weather. Winter is fast approaching. During the cold winter, protect yourself and the members of your family against cold weather. Exposure to extreme cold can be dangerous for people's health. Actions that can be taken to help protect against severe cold include preparing your home and family. 1. Have extra blankets on hand. 2. Clear rain gutters, repair roof leaks, and cut away tree branches that could fall on your house or other structure during a storm. 3. Move family pets indoors or to an exclosure. Likewise, protect livestock and other large animals from the cold weather. 4. Insulate pipes during cold weather. 5. Do not bring heating devices into the home that are intended for outdoor use, such as barbecues and other cooking equipment or other fuel burning devices. Dressing for the weather. 1. Wear several layers of loose fitting, lightweight, warm clothing rather than one layer of heavy clothing. The outer garments should be tightly woven and water repellent. 2. Wear mittens which are warmer than gloves. 3. Wear a hat. Cover your mouth with a scarf to protect your lungs. Recognizing symptoms of cold weather exposure. 1. Confusion, dizziness, exhaustion, and shivering are signs of possible hypothermia. If you experience any of these symptoms, seek medical attention. 2. In the case of overexposure to freezing temperatures, remove wet clothing and immediately warm the body with a blanket or warm fluids like hot tea or soup. During a storm, drive only if it is absolutely necessary. If you must drive, travel in the day, keep others informed of your schedule. Stay on main roads and avoid lonely roads. 2. Let someone know about your destination, your route, and when you expect to arrive. If your car gets stuck along the way, help can be sent along your predestined route. Words and meanings. 1. On hand. Meaning present, especially for a specified purpose. Example: her trainer was on hand to give advice. 2. Pet. An animal kept for companionship, interest, or amusement. Examples: a pet dog, hamster, etc. A family domestic pet. A pet shop where animals are sold as pets. 3. Enclosure. An area of land surrounded by a fence, wall, or other boundary. Examples: a wildlife enclosure, the winner's enclosure for the winners of a horse race. 4. Livestock. The animals kept on a farm, for example, cows or sheep. 5. Insulate. Meaning protect. Example: homeowners are being encouraged to insulate their homes to save energy. 6. Barbecue. An apparatus including a grill and fuel used for cooking food outdoors. Example: I put another stick on the barbecue. 7. Repellent. Meaning resistant to something. Example: water repelling cloth. 8. Exhaustion, the state of being very tired. Examples: suffering from physical, mental, nervous exhaustion. Her face was grey with exhaustion. 9. Hypothermia, meaning a medical condition in which the body temperature is much lower than normal. Example: elderly people may die of hypothermia if they cannot afford to heat their homes.